Hello everyone. Today I will explain how to add two numbers in Python by using user input. Now let's start. As you know, in Python, there is no need to declare any variable of any particular data type. As the question is to add two numbers by user input. So first I'm selecting a new file. Like for the first variable, I have taken f equals to input is a function in Python that is used for taking input, but by default it will only take string input. As I have to add two numbers, so I have to convert this input into integer. To convert into integer, you have to write int before input. Then whatever the value you will input, it will convert into integer type. Now I'm taking the second input. For that I have taken s variable. For the result, I am taking a variable sum f plus s. Now I want to print the result. Print in inverted comma I have given sum equals to, that is a message, comma sum variable name, bracket close. I'm saving this file. See, now I'm running this file. Click on run module. See, if there is no error, it will execute the program. As you know, Python is interpreted language, so it will run program line by line. Like I have entered first number 23, second number 45. The result is 68. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.